very good morning to all parents and students. Since June 8 we have started video classes. We are recording the lectures and we are posting it in YouTube, and we are also keeping it private. The private videos are available only for 24 hours, and we expect the students to view these videos within 24 hours. To view these videos within 24 hours, make the notes of it, read the NCERT textbook, and be perfect and thorough within the stipulated period of time. We have to get the topics done. Dear students, we have not made these videos public because our intention is not to make them available for the sources which we are not concerned with. Therefore, we are keeping it private and deactivating it after 24 hours. Our intention is only the Tungalites should gain the benefits of these lectures. Yeah. Most of the parents, when they visited the college to collect the materials, etc., they discussed with me telling that assignments, journals, classes, tests, the students are unable to find the time. It's difficult to manage the things. But dear students and parents, please note that if the college was working, you would be in the college right from 8:30 to 5:30, and it was only before 8:30 in the morning and after 5:30 in the evening you had time and space to concentrate on your studies. But now it is not the fact. Please don't come up with any type of excuses. Days are very challenging. Time is teaching us a lesson. So let us be very serious. Online or offline, we have to make use of the time which is available to us. Dear students and parents, only 4 videos you are getting per day, and that too of 40 minutes, plus or minus, less or more. So within this 40 minutes, please mind, we are not able to complete the whole of the chapter. The fraction of the chapter will be dedicated for this 40 minutes in the video lecture. So it is very simple for you all to listen to these videos subject wise and make the points. So your whole of the day should be dedicated for the studies as you would do during regular college hours. As I am telling, what things we are going to face ahead is quite challenging because it is totally non-predictable. Okay, what happens, when it happens, when are we going to face our exams, and what would be the syllabus? So many things make us ponder about all the issues which are going to happen ahead. So let us be ready for all the type of challenges we are going to face in future. Therefore, please make use of this time. You are in the house, you are quite comfortable, no health issues, no ills, nobody to harass you, nobody to punish you, nobody to put any restrictions. So comfortably make your house a study zone by these online classes. So other day when I was working with the time what you all have, if you dedicate 4 hours on the video lectures also, you can very easily get 7 hours for your personal studies. Apart from the video lectures, 7 hours for your personal studies. So, morning, evening, the way you feel comfortable, assign the subjects and study them before you view the next video of the chapter next day. So please take things seriously. That is my utmost request to all the students and parents. And now all the parents are also have joined their work or their duties. Therefore, we are at any given time we are ready to add your new numbers. So often and often you people are sending the message to add new numbers, and we are doing that without any questions, so that you people are made available with the online things. So now, what are the tasks in front of you? First task is listening to the video lectures, making the notes. One thing. Second thing, write down the assignments on the given topics. I hope in PCMB you are getting the assignments of the chapter which is being carried on or which is being conducted. Writing assignment is compulsory. Okay. Then weekend tests are compulsory. Right. And what we have found is, since past 2 weeks, everybody is not taking up the test. You come up with many complaints and problems whenever we ask you why are you people not writing the test. And all the lectures, section wise, we have called the parents to let them know the program. So please don't miss the tests every Sunday. So here I have given every Sunday you will be having a test. Each subject only 25 bits, right? And test tasks start at 1:30 p.m. and link, very often and often you keep on asking about the link, therefore I have written it on the board. Okay, note down the link and further no asking please. Then username and password, please use the username and password which is given to you all recently, not the old ones. Okay, so please and please, this is my utmost request to you all, use the username and password which is given to you all recently, that is just 2 weeks before. And see that all are writing the tests. Okay, so now you are listening the lecture, you are writing the assignments and you are writing the tests, right? Okay, next task given to you all is languages. Language teachers are also assigning you all some work. Okay, so I don't think every day they assign you with the work or tasks. Therefore, every fortnight or every week they are giving. So in that given time of 1 week or fortnight, that is 2 weeks, I think you can complete this language work also. It is not at all a difficult one, because remember, you people are staying in home. You are not coming out of house. Therefore, no physical tiredness. You are within your comfort zone. Okay, so please make use of this time and opportunities very much. Okay, and also we have provided the journals. Now the thing what you have to do is start writing journals. Okay, see there are some changes in the practicals according to the syllabus which is suggested this year, but doesn't matter. 1 or 2 will be deleted, extra will not be added. Therefore, just for biology, refer the manual, lab manual what is given to you all, and start writing the journal. When you write the journal, once again, be very neat there, particularly for biological diagrams. Go for the margins. Okay, on unruled pages, margin should be compulsory. Draw neat labeled diagram. Okay, at any cost, the things should not be done negligently. Okay, and next journal you have to take up is chemistry. Okay, in chemistry in all there are 22 practicals. First 12 practicals you need to perform it for salt analysis, and the chart is given to you all. So referring the chart, just one tabular column you will be making and you will be writing the things. And from 13th onwards, the PDF will be sent to you all in WhatsApp by Ashok sir. So these are the works what you have to do. So not wasting the time, not leaving anything and not taking things easily. Okay, because in future we may get time or we may not get. Things are totally unpredictable, right? The number is rising. Therefore, with the online classes only there are possibilities of we ending up with the academic year and writing the exams. It can happen also. You cannot overrule it. Okay. Therefore, all online exams, all online classes should be compulsorily made use by you all. Okay. Then, E and F section students particularly, the mains and advanced classes are being conducted online to you all through Zoom app. There are a lot of complaints. Dear parents, your wards are creating much nuisances there. The lectures are going on. They put on certain sounds, either in other mobile or other audio system. The lectures can hear some songs, some mimicking voices, and all the sounds of the household activities which is done in the house. So when they are listening to the video classes, let them sit in an isolated place. As I am telling, the whole of the academic year may end up with only these online sources what we are making you available. Therefore, don't put yourself into risk. Be ready for any type of challenges we are going to face. So, listen to the video classes. Try to understand the pains what we are taking here. Please cooperate with us, because even we don't want your days and time to get wasted. Therefore, we are very much concerned with your time. See, you also be equally responsible for the things happening. So please cooperate. It is ultimately for your benefit. See, even after telling also, if people are not listening, what the lecturer does? He simply unmutes everybody. When all are unmuted, no one can raise the doubt question, please remember. Therefore, if one student is doing such type of nuisances, whole of the students are affected then. I expect parents to take this responsibility that students are viewing these video classes. Particularly F section students, listening to just online classes and switching off the gadgets is not the thing to be done here. After the classes are over, physics, mathematics, chemistry, solve the objectives. And teachers are also conducting interaction sessions in evening. So make benefit out of it. See, ultimate purpose of this is your days should not be wasted. You should not become idle, or your learning should not be affected. So with this view and with this purpose, we are putting lot of efforts. So please feel responsible to add meaning to all this efforts what we are putting. Yeah. Other thing, we also heard that we are keeping the video lectures only for 24 hours and after that we are deactivating it. Some of the students have missed these video classes. As I told, we don't want to publicize them because our videos should reach only the concerned person and not the unconcerned sources. Therefore, after 24 hours we are deactivating. But there is lot of students request that they have missed some of the videos and they want to review it. Okay, so in order to facilitate you all, for 1 week, okay, just for 1 week, we will publicize our videos. Right from June 8, what video we started uploading till date, we will publicize it, weave them all in the span of 1 week, and very next week you will not be getting them once again publicly. Hope you all got it. So my dear children, I expect lot of sincerity from you. Work sincerely in the house. Give the meaning for the efforts what is being made by your parents and the teachers. And ultimately, make your life a very bright one. Wishing you all a very good luck. Thank you.